Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on Sneakers Unboxing with Moy. And today we're going to be unboxing the Yeezy Slide in the gray colorway. Finally, after 3 months of trying to get things. But let's get to it. Okay, so here's the box, and we can't forget the Supreme knife, and so let's get straight to it. At the bottom we have our Adidas logo. Take out the box completely. Okay, so like the other Yeezys, they'll give you the model on top of the box. And so since this is a Yeezy Slide, it'll say slide on the top. And so on the front, they don't do half sizes in slides. So this is a size 10. I don't know if it'll fit me. This is the first time I get this slide. And so the back, it says Yeezy Slide made by Adidas. So the front, it says Yeezy Slide as well, and it'll give you the sizing. So there's a size 10. And so the colorway is, I don't know if I pronounced this correctly, but it says Onyx, Onyx, Onyx. So yep, that's pretty much it. There's nothing on the sides of the box. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's see how they look. Okay, so upon opening it, they look like they're individually wrapped. So let me see. Oh, they're not individually wrapped. I was wrong. Okay, so I don't know how I feel about it. I'd have to see them on feet first. But this is how it looks. This is the left slide. So there is a side view. This is the toe, the bottom right here. This is the toe. This is the heel. If you can see it, this is the top view, and this is the side view on the outside. And this is the inner side of the slide, and this is the back, and then the bottom. So like that. And then if you see it like this, you can see like the edges. So it's pretty basic. And then on the heel, that's pretty much it. I'm pretty sure it's the same on the other side. Let me just take it out for you so you guys can see it. And then they give you the little tag that should be on the slide, but since there's nothing to hang it off from, they just throw it in there. So yeah. Okay, so this is the right one now. So everything is the same as the left, of course, how it should be. And that's the back side. This is the inner side of the right slide, front, top view, and yeah, your jagged edges or sole, your jagged sole, like sectored out and all that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me get you guys the on feet, and we can get to wrapping up the video. So let's get to it. so that wraps up the video on these Yeezy slides. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys would rock, if you guys would drop. And one thing I forgot to mention, Onyx is basically gray, so it's a gray color, if you guys can't tell. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's been a while, but I'll do my best to try to keep uploading. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day or night, and I'll catch you in the next one.